Your full names?
Akoto Emmanuel.
Akoto Emmanuel. How old are you?
I am 11 years.
11 years.
Yes.
How do you get my contacts, or how do you know me? How do you know me?
Oh, in Butiama, when we were invited. I
In
had
Butiama?
Yes,
Where is Butiama?
it's in Tanzania.
Uh-huh.
Yes, when we were invited at Mwalimu Julius Nyerere's home,
Yes. Uh-huh.
that's when a friend of mine
Yes.
spoke about you.
Your friend, a friend of you? From Uganda or from Tanzania?
It was also from Uganda with us. We came in the same bus.
Mm-hmm.
Then now I heard about you and I said, wow, he's amazing.
Mm-hmm. What was the story?
Huh?
What was the story?
The story?
Yeah.
The story. What do you mean by the story?
What did the friend tell you about?
Oh, he told me that you are a really good MP. Yeah? That you have felt your consequences.
Yes, my good choice.
Yes.
And then?
And then I said, wow, I wish to meet him one day. And today it's finally true. Yes.
So what's your plans? Where do you want to go in Kenya? I hear that you want to go to Safo, to where? I hear someone where again?
In Nairobi National Museum, Isabel National Park, and the Fort Jesus.
In Mombasa.
Yes, and many national parks and game parks. No, many game parks and archaeological sites.
Actually?
Archaeological sites where man's remains